Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most unique and futuristic travel solutions of the year, the 2025 Electric Tricycle Camper. Whether you're an urban explorer or an off-grid adventurer, this compact electric camper might just change the way we think about personal travel and micro-living. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 model features a sleek, aerodynamic design with a durable lightweight frame made from recycled aluminum alloy. It's built for both city cruising and rugged terrain. The integrated solar panels on the roof not only add a clean energy option, but also give it a modern, tech-forward appearance. Moving to the interior, despite its compact size, the inside is surprisingly well organized. It features a convertible sleeping area that comfortably fits one adult or two kids, a mini kitchenette with an induction cooktop, and a small sink with a 20-liter freshwater tank. There's also foldable storage compartments and a collapsible work desk, perfect for remote workers or digital nomads. Under the hood, or should we say under the seat, the Trike is powered by a 3,000 W hub motor with a peak output of 6,000 W. It reaches a top speed of 45 km/h and offers a range of up to 150 kilometers on a single charge, thanks to its swappable lithium-ion battery pack. Regenerative braking and dual suspension systems ensure a smooth, energy-efficient ride. The price of the 2025 Electric Tricycle Camper starts at around $8,999 USD, making it an affordable choice compared to traditional camper vans or RVs. Additional upgrades like an extended range battery, rooftop tent, or GPS navigation system can increase the cost, but even the base model offers exceptional value for money. When it comes to safety, the Trike includes front and rear disc brakes, a rear-view camera, and smart lighting that adjusts based on ambient light. There's also an optional anti-theft system with a fingerprint sensor and GPS tracking. To sum it up, the 2025 Electric Tricycle Camper is a game-changer for minimalists, solo travelers, and eco-conscious adventurers. It combines mobility, sustainability, and practicality in a bold new way. If you're looking for a compact camper that's efficient, futuristic, and fun to drive, this might just be your next ride. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you travel cross